salary 20,000 and dreams 2 lakhs. Welcome to the first chapter of economics. Everyone buys more things in the country. Economists say that country's GDP is growing, but when I buy more things, my mom says that expenses are growing.
Welcome to Ecofibanker. Check out this important information. Be sure to share it with your friends.
Today I'm going to tell you the 10 funniest chapter of economics which will really make you crazy. So number 1 is scarcity. Salary 20,000 and dreams 2 lakhs. Welcome to the first chapter of economics, scarcity. Chapter number 2 is demand and supply. One girl posts a reel, got 10,000 likes and one was 3 to 4 likes. Congratulations, you just discovered demand and supply. And number 3 is opportunity cost. When you watch reels instead of studying, your phone gets entertainment and you get lost. Your future gets opportunity cost. Number 4 is inflation. In the year 2000, you get candy plus chips plus chocolates in just only 10 rupees. But now in the year 2025, you get emotional support from the shopkeeper. If it's investment, 2 friends get 1,000. One spends in a party and second invests it. After 10 years, friend 1 is getting hangover memory and friend 2 is getting compound interest party. Busting is the 6th craziest chapter. Economics says make a budget, but reality says Swiggy plus Zomato and then regret. And 7th chapter is GDP. When everyone buys more things in the country, economists say that country's GDP is growing. But when I buy more things, my mom says that expenses are growing. 8th craziest chapter is the market competition. 2 stalls selling the teas. One's cost is rupees 10 and second's cost is rupees 8. Congratulations, capitalism just entered in the chat. The 9th chapter is monopoly. Congratulations, if one tea stall only exists, then tea price 10, 20, 30, whatever he will decide, that will be the price. Last but not the least, 10th craziest chapter of economics is economic reality. Economics is simple, money is limited, but the Flipkart's wish list is not limited. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like and comment the video.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like and share button. See you soon.